Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young boy named Kethu. Kethu was known for his love of music and his dream of becoming a great violinist. He spent every spare moment practicing his finger moving deftly over the strings as he played beautiful melodies. Tragedy struck one day when Ketho suffered a serious injury to his left hand, rendering it useless. Devastated, he felt his dreams slipping away. How could he play the violin without two functioning hands? Crushed, Ketho gave up on his music and felt lost. But one day he met an old musician who had also faced similar adversity. The old man asked Ketho, "Why did you stop playing? Music is not just about your hands, it's about your heart and soul." Inspired, Ketho decided to adapt. He learned to play the violin with his right hand only. Using a special technique, it was not easy, but he persevered. Slowly, he began to create beautiful music again. Ketho's determination paid off. He started performing in front of small crowds, then larger ones. People were moved by his music and his story. Ketho realized that setbacks are a part of life, but they don't define us. Our response to them does. Ketho's story spread, inspiring others to never give up on their dreams, no matter the obstacles. He proved that with courage and determination, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Never give up on your dreams, adapt, persevere, and find new ways to achieve them. Your passion and determination can help you overcome any obstacles.